In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gumroad workflows. First, the journey begins by heading over to the Gumroad website. So go ahead and open your preferred web browser and type in gumroad.com in the address bar. This is the home base for all your digital storefront needs, offering you a platform to sell your products and now automate certain processes using workflows. Once you're on the Gumroad homepage, keep an eye on the top right corner of the screen. You'll notice a button labeled Login. Go ahead and click on it. This step is straightforward as it takes you to the login page where you can access all your account features. If you prefer to keep things simple, choose to log in with Google. Just click on the Google icon and select your account to skip manual entry of your credentials. Now that you're logged in, it's time to explore the powerful Workflows feature. On the dashboard, you'll see an option named Workflows. Give a click there to enter a new realm of automation where you can set automated responses, manage subscribers, and much more. And right there you'll find a button labeled New Workflow. This is your cue to start crafting a new automated journey for your subscribers or customers. Click this and let the customization begin. You'll then have the opportunity to type the name of your new workflow. It could be something as simple as Welcome Series or Product Launch, depending on your objective. After naming, you'll notice an action prompt for New Subscriber. Click on this as it's essential for setting the type of event that will trigger your workflow. Now with your core action set up, hit save and continue to move forward. Next on the agenda is crafting an email. Look for the Create Email button, which will lead you to the space where you can draft your first communication piece. In this part, jot down the subject of your email. It should be catchy and clear, giving your subscribers a reason to open and read. Now comes the timing aspect. You'll see options like hours after becoming a subscriber. From these, pick what suits your engagement strategy, perhaps 0 hours to send an immediate welcome email. Once you've chosen the timing, it's time to fill in the content of your message. When you're done writing, you might want to include files, such as a welcome PDF. Look for the Attach Files option and click on it to upload any relevant documents. As you do this, you'll notice a live preview of your email on the right side. This allows you to see exactly what your subscribers will receive. Finally, after you're satisfied with the layout and content of your email, it's time to wrap up by saving all the changes. Do this by clicking on Save Changes, a step that ensures all your hard work is safely stored. And there you have it. With these steps, you've not only created a workflow, but have started on the path of sophisticated email automation using Gumroad.